Step-by-step guide on making submissions on Submittable. 1. Make sure that your internet access is turned on and stable. 2. Click on the Google Chrome web browser on your phone or laptop. Please note that we recommend using a Google Chrome web browser so as to have a seamless user experience. 3. On your Google Chrome web browser, type in this URL: dsn.submittable.com/submit. 4. Then sign in if you have not, using the login details you received when you signed up. 5. There are 3 icons that you will see, each indicating the 3 different types of submissions allowed. New teacher. If you're a first-time teacher joining our community of super teachers and need to submit your first work for evaluation. Existing teachers. If you are an existing teacher who has received a curriculum list of topics to be recorded with clearly defined audio IDs per class. Resubmissions. If your work has been rejected and you have been notified via email on the need to record and submit again. The rejection email also specifies the reason for the rejection, which you must address in the new submission. 6. Once you have clicked any of the 3 links, fill in the necessary information. Audio ID, as it is on the curriculum. First name and last name of the teacher making the submission. Click the drop-down menu to select the class you're teaching. For new teachers, your audio code is N001. 7. Ensure all fields are accurately filled, as any inaccurate information will result in the rejection of the audio file. 8. Upload your properly named audio file with the right extensions. For example, .mp3 or .acc. 9. Click Submit. 10. You will receive a confirmation email that your audio file has been submitted. 11. After an extensive review of your submission, you will receive either an acceptance or a rejection email. For existing teachers, all rejected files need to be resubmitted after they have been redone based on the guidance provided in the rejection email. For new teachers, a rejection of your file means you do not meet the quality standard expected to be a super audio teacher. Hence, you will not be expected to resubmit the file. But if your file is accepted, you will be notified and welcomed on board as a super audio teacher.